One sneeze blasts thousands of tiny droplets through the air at over 100 miles per hour, instantly turning the space around you into an invisible storm. Each microscopic droplet can carry germs and viruses, traveling much farther than you might think, sometimes up to 27 feet in a single explosive burst. These droplets don't just vanish, they can hang suspended, floating in the air for minutes, waiting to be breathed in. That means the split-second spray from your sneeze could linger long after you've walked away, impacting anyone who passes through. It's not just the speed that's wild, it's the sheer force. The air pressure created by a sneeze is strong enough to propel droplets at speeds that rival a hurricane wind, literally painting the air with microscopic projectiles. That's why covering your mouth isn't just polite, it's a high-speed defense against a viral cloud that you can't even see.